Ever wondered how to navigate the maze that is personal finance? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we're going to demystify the process and break it down into clear, easy-to-follow steps. Firstly, the cornerstone of a sound financial plan is knowing your money inflow and outflow. Start by tracking your income and expenses for a month. This will give you a clear picture of where your money comes from and where it goes. Next, create a budget. Allocate your income towards different categories like rent, bills, savings, and fun. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all budgeting method. You have to find what works best for you. It's also important to build an emergency fund. Life is full of surprises and some of them can be expensive. Aim to save 3 to 6 months of living expenses to cover unexpected costs and avoid going into debt. Speaking of debt, it can happen to the best of us. If you find yourself in this situation, focus on paying down high-interest debts first, such as credit cards. There are several strategies you can use, like the snowball or avalanche method. Now let's talk about savings. Building a healthy savings habit is key to achieving your financial goals. Consider automating transfers to your savings account and setting up separate accounts for different goals. Moving on to investing, this is how your money grows over time. Start small, do your research, and consider low-cost index funds, which are a great beginner-friendly option. Lastly, don't forget about retirement planning. It may seem like a long way off, but even small contributions early on can make a big difference. Explore options like IRAs or 401(k)s offered by your employer. To sum up, personal finance is a journey, not a destination. There will be setbacks, but with continuous learning and adjusting your approach, you can overcome them. Don't be afraid to ask for help, and always celebrate your wins, big or small. Stay tuned for more in-depth discussions on budgeting strategies, debt payoff plans, and different investment options. But for now, remember, take control, be smart with your money, and you'll be well on your way to financial success.